Hi and thanks for choosing your BedGuard Guardian Luxury Mattress. Your mattress has a life expectancy exceeding 10 years and has a manufacturer guaranteed for the first 5 years. Your BedGuard Guardian Luxury Mattress is waterproof top, bottom and sides and made up of 5 major components. First, the ticking or quilting, meaning the top and bottom sleep surface, has BedGuard fully integrated bonded waterproof technology, heat bonded to the highest grade damask weave quilting with 15mm 16 to 110 high density foam. Second is the 30mm 19 to 130 high density foam comfort layer. Third is the spring insulation blanket 6mm polyester. Fourth is the support system, heat tempered Bonnell spring unit 4mm border wire edge supports 3.15mm gauge foam corner blocks. Fifth is the BedGuard fully integrated bonded waterproof technology stitched to 6mm border and 36mm nylon edge tape stitched to connect the border to the top and bottom sleep surface. After rigorous field testing, we at BedGuard have developed the right blend of comfort, support and long-wearing mattresses that are impervious to liquid odor and stains. As well as waterproof, your Guardian Luxury Mattress is flame retardant complying with British and Australian standards. Has HealthGuard anti-dust mite, antibacterial treatment. Thank you for choosing your BedGuard mattress, and may all your dreams be sweet.